Welcome back to another tutorial video with 27 Plumbing. Today's is a really quick and easy one. My customer today has a Moen kitchen faucet, and the sprayer head on their faucet had a piece broken off. As a result, the water was coming out much too harsh for them. In this particular application, we were unable to replace just that little piece within the head. We had to replace the entire head itself. Now the good news is Moen has a lifetime warranty to the original owner, and they are on an honor system. Give them a call, let them know honestly that you are the original owner of it, send them some pictures of the product, and they'll do exactly what they did for my customer here, which is to send out the product that they needed free of charge. Once the product arrived, I came out here, and as you'll see, I simply removed the old head. I used a pair of smooth jaw pliers. With the head removed, I simply took the new one, screwed it onto position, tightened it down with my smooth jaw pliers, and we are good to go. I'm going to put a link in the video description for Moen's customer support number. Again, they are fantastic, and I'm so thankful to them for helping out my customer and many of my customers as well. Thank you guys so much. You have a wonderful day.